Nope, there's the beaver. Took him a minute to come out. Oh, something spooked him. Anyway, there he is. He's back out. I'll have to try to get closer here in the future. I'm sitting above it where the mushrooms are. But anyway, there's his hut. That's where they live. Beaver hut. You can see the opening in the ground there. Okay, let's get these mushrooms picked. I sat here and waited long enough. They're just right down there. Takes a minute for them to come out. Got me a bag today, so we're going to pick some mushrooms. It's been a couple days since I've been here. That's where they're doing the clear cut. It's really nice. That's the pipeline right over there. Mushrooms are right up here. Well, it looks like they're growing a lot. There's that rock. I'll zoom out some. The old sandstone rock. Look at those mushrooms. That's amazing. It grew completely around that stick. Like I said, they're really pretty. Got my bag with me today. Have everything I need for the woods. But got my mushroom bag. Pick some of these so I can have for dinner tonight. Growing on this old oak tree. There's even some down here. Looks like there's more coming on. And these are chicken of the woods. And they're really delicious. That's kind of what they look like underneath. I'm not going to pick them all, but just going to pick my share. This nice, tender, fresh. Could have picked them the other day, but I decided to wait to see what they look like. This is, I believe, 4 days now. I watched them grow. Something else. first for me to get to see them grow. Chicken of the woods. They're really delicious. Got my bag, so we're good. Let's see if there's any other kind of mushrooms up. Some people call these cows. I call them chicken of the woods because they taste like chicken. Exactly like chicken. And always cook your mushrooms. Okay, that ought to do it for me. I'll freeze some of them. The season just started. Just amazing how that mushroom grew around that tree. I think I got a picture of it before, just touching it. That's what they look like underneath. They're really good mushrooms. Chicken of the woods. Peace. Just a beautiful day. Just beautiful. At least we got to see the beaver again. They're down there. That's where the pond's at. I have to come down here and get closer. Have a wonderful evening. Peace.